What's up YouTube, this is your boy Chef Fitzy and today I'm in the building with another recipe. Today I'm going to teach you how to do your own oven-made spare ribs. So we're doing an oven-made barbecue ribs today. So stay tuned while I go through the process and show you. Alright?
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What do you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so let's introduce some of our spices. Over here we have half teaspoon of all-purpose, which is this. Half teaspoon of ground spice, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper. Also we have 2 teaspoons over here of sugar that we're going to use, brown sugar. Alright, here's our spare ribs. Alright, so we're going to season it with our dry ingredients. Alright, so let's add a 2 spoons of brown sugar. Alright, so we're going to combine all our seasonings together nicely, and then we're going to use it to coat our spare ribs. Alright, going to use that to coat up. Alright, so before that, let's add a little bit of olive oil to our meat. We're coating with the olive oil because we want the season to stay on the meat, and when you use the olive oil to incorporate it, it gives it a better taste. Alright, so I'm using a piece of, as you can see, I'm using a piece of foil, also using another piece of the wax paper to wrap our meat. Alright, so I coat it, and then I'm going to go in and coat it with my seasoning. Alright, so ensure that you coat it properly. As you can see, ensure that your seasoning, coat it nicely. Good. Gonna go ahead and coat the next side. Go ahead and coat the next side nicely. Alright, so we're going to allow this, we're going to wrap it with our wax paper and our file, and we're going to allow it just to let it marinate for about an hour. Alright, good. So we're going to wrap it nicely. So we have our pork ribs nicely wrapped in the wax paper and the file. We're going to put it in the oven on about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to allow it to cook. Leave it there in the oven for about 2 hours. As you can see, we place it in the oven there, so we're going to leave it there for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, we have removed our ribs from the oven. Alright, so we also mix up some barbecue sauce. We're using the sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce dip. Alright, so we're gonna use our sauce and glaze our ribs. Alright, let's start glaze our ribs. We're gonna glaze our ribs, and then we're gonna put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna nicely glaze both sides, and then we're gonna put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, both ribs is nicely glazed. We're gonna put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, as you can see, our ribs is in our oven. Give it 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, on 400 degrees. Alright, and there you have it, guys. Our nice ribs come out of the oven ready. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it up, make some nice slices, and then you're gonna see how beautiful it is. And there you have it, guys, your beautiful barbecue ribs. Look at how beautiful them is. Yeah, man, nice and delicious. Watch the sauce around the back there. Look how beautiful it is. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show today. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube, Chef Fitzroy on Instagram, and also on Facebook. Yeah, man, barbecue ribs, lad. I'm out. Alright, let's do a quick taste test of the sauce then. Look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Oh my word. Tastes so good. Look at the juice. Look at it. Yeah, man. Barbecue ribs.
Hey, don't know.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, but